In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Please Donate here on Roblox. Not only are we going to be going over how you can set up a stand, accept donations, but we're also going to be going over how you can donate to other players. That being said, before we dive into this, if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before you even get loaded into Please Donate, the first thing that you're going to want to do is create a game pass, because this is what's going to appear on your stand as donation buttons. To do this, go ahead and go to the web browser version of Roblox by going to roblox.com/home. Go ahead and sign into your account and then select create up in the very top, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, what you're going to want to do is actually select on your experiences and go to your place, for example. And once you are on your place, what you're going to want to do is scroll across this left-hand sidebar until you see the section for monetization. Go ahead and select passes. From here, you're going to want to go ahead and select create a pass, and then you're going to have all of these different passes that you can go ahead and set up. For example, we'll go ahead and say that this pass right here is going to be the pass that we just set up. Essentially, name your pass, go ahead and create a description, and then on this left-hand sidebar, go to sales, and this is where you would list that item for sale. I would also recommend turning on regional pricing as well, but after you go ahead and do that, back out, and you'll see that it is now going to be saved on there, and you'll see it'll say enabled on this section if you do have regional passing enabled as well. Once you go ahead and create that pass, you're going to want to back out of this section and now load into Please Donate with whatever account you just created that pass on. Once you are in Please Donate, essentially walk up to any of these stands right here and claim it. And it's going to go ahead and pull up a page that looks like this. And it's going to have all of those different passes on here that you can go ahead and purchase just like so. Now, it'll say something up here for you. Mine says, your text here because it's kind of a basic one that I set up for this video. But you'll be able to customize this as well in game. And essentially, people will just walk up to you, go ahead and purchase, your V-Bucks. Go ahead and purchase your pass for some Robux, and then that's going to get added to your balance down in the bottom left, where you're able to go ahead and select it and actually receive your Robux as well. It really is as simple as this. This is definitely a fun little game mode if you're trying to get some extra Robux set up. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.